Hi everyone, welcome to AI Tools Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to use Vidnoz AI Face Swapper, a free online tool that lets you swap any face on photo and video with just a few clicks.
Vidnoz AI Face Swapper is a fun and easy way to create amazing face swap photos and videos. You can upload your own photos or videos or choose from a variety of templates. You can also customize the face swap effects and generate magic AI face swap photos and videos seamlessly. To use Vidnoz AI Face Swapper, you only need to follow 3 simple steps. 1. Upload a photo Joe Biden image with a face that you want to put a face on. This is the base image. 2. Upload another photo or video with a face that you want to replace the face in the base image or video. This is the target face image, for example Donald Trump. 3. Click Swap Face now to start the face swapping process. Vidnoz AI Face Swapper will automatically detect and align the faces and swap them in a realistic and natural way. You can preview the result and download it as a photo or video. You can also adjust the face swap settings, such as the face size, position, rotation, and blending. You can also apply filters and stickers to make your face swap photo or video more fun and creative. Vidnoz AI Face Swapper is powered by artificial intelligence and deep learning, which means it can handle different face shapes, angles, expressions, and lighting conditions. It can also preserve the facial features and emotions of the target face, making the face swap more convincing and authentic. Now let's use Vidnoz AI Video Face Swapper. Here is where you only need to follow 3 simple steps. 1. Upload a video with a face that you want to put a face on. Let's say we try Joe Biden give speech as a base video and change with Rowan Atkinson, famous British actor and comedian. 2. Upload another photo with a face that you want to replace the face in the base image. This is the target face Rowan Atkinson image. 3. Click Swap Face now to start the face swapping process. Here is the output of video which we have downloaded.
Let's be clear about the 2020 election. Trump exhausted every legal avenue available to him to overturn the election. Every one.
You can use Vidnoz AI Face Swapper for various purposes, such as create videos for entertainment. You can swap your face with celebrities, cartoon characters, animals, or anyone else you like, and make funny videos for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Shoot special films. You can change your appearance and look younger or older, or transform into a different gender, race, or style and make your own movies or short films. Promote for digital marketing. You can use Face Swap to make creative and engaging videos for product promotions, testimonials, or tutorials and attract more customers and followers. Protect privacy. You can hide your identity and replace your face with another image and protect your online privacy and security. Are you ready for a special deal from our AI Tools Corner family? You can enjoy a 10% discount on any purchase with the promo code AI Tools Corner. But wait, there's more! You can also explore other amazing AI tools from Vidnoz, such as AI Talking Photo, AI Text-to-Speech, AI Avatar Generator, and more. Don't miss this opportunity to create engaging AI videos with Vidnoz. So, what are you waiting for? Try Vidnoz AI Face Swapper today and have fun with face swapping. You can find the link to the tool in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.